Liftable and steerable wire saw cutting machine. Shanghai Yinli Industrial Co., Limited. Liftable and steerable wire saw cutting machine actual cutting demonstration. The lifting and steerable wire saw cutting machine is easy to operate. It is suitable for a variety of complex terrains. When cutting at a specific angle, you only need to adjust the cutting head. It can achieve 360 multi-angle cutting without using universal wheels. Remote control operation ensures operator safety. Cutting table lifting height range 700 mm to 1400 mm. The back side of the stone when it is beveled, with the effect of adding water while cutting. The rope is continuously retracted during cutting, and the crawler moves on its own. Figure 8 track design enhances grip. Cutting demonstration, oblique cutting marks. The cross-section is neat and the cut marks are even. Cutting display cutting blocks. The cutting blocks are complete and there are no broken pieces.